My name's Molly Roach. I married into Solva. My husband's from here, and when we retired we came here as we promised ourselves we would. And when I came here I was looking for something to do, and one of the first things I did was join community council, and that's where this Solva Care all started. People in Solva were prepared to do something to put a situation right. We got absolutely fed up of waiting for other people to do it, and we decided we can do it ourselves.
When Solva Care was set up by the community, there was very little out there to look to. And there were so many different tasks to think about, whether it's asking the community what they would like, what they think, what an initiative should be, or to know how a small community can look for funding and engage with others. And so we were keen as a community to share our experiences so that others could learn from it.
I think the other thing Solva Care has done is, apart from the volunteers doing things officially for Solva Care, it's made the whole community more aware of helping others. So a lot of things goes on that doesn't necessarily end up on my very detailed spreadsheet, but it's happening because they feel that it's okay to help other people, and it's what we do in Solva.
The things about Solva Care is that people feel that we have time in this busy world that we're all living in, and they can pick up the phone to Lena or myself, and if they have an issue that they want to discuss, we have the time to give to them. And if we don't have the answers, or we don't have somebody who can sort their problem out, we will find somebody that can.
Solva Care has also set up a programme that's been agreed with organisations and with some communities on how the voice of communities could be strengthened in policy matters that affect them. And this is the programme Together for Change. We held 2 big events last year with community organisations and representatives from the third and public sectors. And from that we have come up with an agreed 10-point plan, which we are taking out to more communities to make sure that more people can have a say going forwards. It covers community-centred approaches to policy and the strength that comes from working together. COVID has really shown this, that we can achieve so much more by working collaboratively and in partnership. I really believe this. The 10-point plan is very community-focused, and one of the objectives to sustain community groups to keep them going, maintaining volunteer numbers and tackling challenges of recruiting volunteers across the age range. Many community groups need funding, however small, to keep going, and it is so important that this is recognised.
Well, we came back to Solva 10 years ago. My wife has long-standing connections here, and we came to an already vibrant, thriving community. And there's lots to do if you want to get involved. So I got involved in Solva Care. I got involved in, we're doing a community land trust to address the big issues of a lack of affordable housing here right across the spectrum. This afternoon, for example, we have a Friday afternoon club, and I'll shortly be leading a session of seasoned individuals in a session of Qigong. Now, Qigong is all about finding your Qi and drawing down the energy. So we'll be drawing down a lot of energy this afternoon.
If we had a little Solva Care everywhere, it'd be amazing.